How to verify a supplier on Alibaba. Verifying a supplier on Alibaba is one of the most important steps to ensure that you're working with a trusted company. This guide shows you how to check for a verified supplier and other important details. When you're on a product page or a supplier page, look for a badge that says Verified Supplier. This means that a third-party inspection company has verified the supplier's company capabilities and more. This is a very good sign that the supplier is real and trustworthy. Another important thing to look for is trade assurance. This is a free service from Alibaba that protects your order and payment. If you pay through Alibaba's system and there is a problem with your order, Alibaba will help you get your money back. Always look for this. Finally, make sure you check the supplier's company history and customer reviews. A supplier with many years of experience and lots of good reviews is more likely to be reliable. Always do your research and make sure you're working with the right people. You now know how to verify a supplier on Alibaba. This will help you avoid scams and build a trusted business relationship. Like and subscribe for more business tips.